Musa Mseleku asking Mpilo to take Metuli, Makwela's daughter. Mpilo says she can't, she is not okay. So Musa Mseleku was very disappointed because he saw Mpilo was on the phone. They were talking with Makumalo. Maybe Makumalo was the one who told you that not to accept Metuli. I think Makumalo and Mangwabe, there is no need to tell their kids not to accept Musa Mseleku's child. I think it was wrong. But Musa Mseleku, there is no need to punish his kids because of their mother. Musa Mseleku have to sit with his wives, especially Makumalo and Mangwabe. They have got a problems when it comes to Metuli, Makwela's daughter. Mayeni doesn't have a much problem. Mayeni will accept Makwela on the time comes. But Makumalo and Mangwabe, especially Mangwabe, why Mangwabe have got a problem with Metuli? Because Makumalo doesn't want Makwela, or they have got a grudge with Makwela. Mangwabe sometimes have to know her business because Mangwabe doesn't know Makwela. When Makumalo hates a person, Mangwabe have to hate that person. That's why Musamselegu says he can't have a ceremony for Mpilo because Mpilo doesn't tolerate him. Musamseleku have to do a ceremony for his daughter, not to involve Mpilo in their issues. He says Mpilo was the one who's supposed to fix their relationship. Mpilo says she doesn't want to being involved in their issues with Makumalo. I think Mpilo was right because sometimes Musamseleku, when it comes to Mpilo, he want to give a burden that maybe Mpilo is the reason why they are fighting. Musamseleku have to fix his issues. Mpilo knows Makumalo. Mpilo watch Utando Nestembo, the way he is treating his wives and the way he is treating her mother Makumalo is different. So was the one who supposed to fix that relationship, not to involve Mpilo, that if Mpilo have to fix his mess. When he had a fight with Makumalo, Makumalo got angry. Mpilo has to take responsibility of that. I think he was wrong. He have to fix their relationship with Makumalo, the two of them, not to involve that child. Maybe Makumalo was the one who forced Msamseleku to take Mpilo to her mother. I don't understand. Because when it comes to Mpilo, or everything, Makumalo have to put effort alone. But Musamseleku doesn't put effort. Because even Mpilo can't change her surname. Mpilo is not desperate like that. She is okay to use her mother's surname. So it's not like if he doesn't want to change his name, it's okay. If I was in Pulo, I will come on public and say, if my father doesn't want to change my surname, it's okay. I'm okay to use my mother's surname. It looks like Museleku's surname is like a gold, it's like diamonds, like that. No, Mpilo can continue to use Zungu. It's okay to use that surname. So sometimes the Musamseleku have to fix their relationship with Makumalo because it looks like maybe Makumalo was the one who forced him to take that child to her mother. I don't understand. He wants Mpilo to please him every time to change his name. I don't understand. If he doesn't want to change his name, it's okay. You have to stay with that Zungu surname. Like maybe to be Mseleku is like something. It's like gold. It's like something. You can get some of the millions and millions to use Mseleku's surname. It doesn't make any sense. He says he can't change his surname. It's okay. It's okay on that. If I was Makumalo and Mpilo, Musamsele can't do it to Mangwabe. He knows Mangwabe very well. He knows Mangwabe because what I saw, you want Makumalo and Mpilo to beg him. There is no need to beg him. If Makumalo can told, because Makumalo is doing it for Mpilo, Makumalo have to told Musamseleko, if you don't want, Mpilo can remain my child. If he doesn't want to change it, because Musamseleku knows how to catch Makumalo. He knows how, if he doesn't want to change Pilo's name, maybe Makumalo is going to beg him what. That's why he is taking that weakness. So it doesn't make any sense. Mpilo and Makumalo, they have to stop begging him to change the surname.